Just a little demonstration of how this Fiskars trimmer does with the saw, which I thought it was going to be really cumbersome to do it. Here's an old dead limb. It actually does a great job. Pretty awesome, actually. I don't know if there's another one I need to cut or not. Definitely should probably trim these here back just a little bit. I'll use the, I'm going to go off right about here, I think. This cuts them so easy, it's unreal. Then you use the saw thing to kind of grab it a little bit, pull the limbs out of the trees. Try to keep these things back from the house so they don't shed leaves and cause a problem with my gutters. I need to extend this thing for this one. Let's go a little higher. Might be high enough. Let me get this one. That is just so easy. Unreal. Let's get this one. Pretty cool. These are sizable limbs. They're not tiny. Out here. So you can do a lot of trimming pretty fast with these. There we go. That was a little bigger than I should have probably taken off. You know, these are probably, you see my finger there, that's probably at least an inch, or maybe a little bit more in diameter. You should be able to cut easily inch to an inch and a quarter, again, compared to my finger. And then whatever else you can't cut, if it's stable enough to get with the saw, it'll do a good job with these little limbs like this that it doesn't bother them at all. Yeah, that's what the Fiskars will do right there. It's pretty excellent. I should also show you the limb that I cut off there, the dead limb that I cut with the saw. So that's how big that one was, probably 2 3/4 inches diameter, getting close to 3 inches. The big old dead limb. Took, you watched it, what, minute and a half to cut it, if even that. Cuts real nice and even too. I like that. So I've been using this Fiskars. It's called a Power Gear 2. You see it's got a gear thing on it here. I've been using this for about 3 years now, and I'm here to tell you this thing has been awesome. And I've cut thousands of limbs with it, and it's still sharp as a razor right here, my friends. So I don't know what kind of steel they make this out of, but it's durable. So this limb is hard to cut with this thing will be no problem for this. Now that one's gone. Great. So I had to go ahead and get these two because I love these. I love the little gear thing here. It just makes it so much easier to cut, and I love everything Fiskars does. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim this bush here off, and boy, they work great. Let's shake this up a little bit. Pretty much better there now.